We're almost done with our set of bandsaw boxes for our customer. Thank you, Mr. Customer, for ordering 5 of these boxes. Decided to do a few extra ones just in case. But so these are your basic bandsaw boxes, but there's nothing short of just awesome and coolness what a bandsaw box is. Essentially a block of wood like this taken over to the bandsaw can render this. Pretty cool. I never tire of them. I'm stung with the enthusiasm there. So basically we put African paddock handles on yesterday, and these are ready now for some stain. We're going to stain them, and then we're going to put in this case we're going to put some lacquer on the boxes. So it's really, this is going to be golden oak. It's going to really bring out the grain. So there you go. Stay tuned for the progress. Almost ready to be shipped out the door. And thanks guys for ordering from SSC Custom Designs. It's so much fun to create in the wood shop. It really is. Take care, and thanks for coming into my shop.